Nestled amidst the verdant landscapes of Karnataka, India, lie the twin cities of Hubli Dharwad. These cities are more than just geographical neighbors. They are two parts of a vibrant whole. Hubli, the bustling commercial center, pulsates with energy and ambition. Dharwad, on the other hand, exudes a calmer, more classical aura. It is a haven for art and literature. Together, they offer a unique blend of tradition and modernity, attracting visitors and residents alike. The cities are situated on the Deccan Plateau. They're surrounded by rolling hills and fertile plains. This strategic location has played a crucial role in their historical and economic development. Hubli Dharwad has been a crossroads of cultures and trade for centuries. The region's rich history is visible in its numerous ancient temples, colonial-era buildings and traditional houses. The warmth of the people, their love for art and their entrepreneurial spirit make Hubli Dharwad a truly special destination. The twin cities offer a glimpse into the heart of Karnataka. Hubli Dharwad's history is a captivating tapestry woven with threads of ancient dynasties, valiant rulers, and colonial influences. Archaeological evidence suggests that the region has been inhabited since the prehistoric period. Over the centuries, it has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, each leaving behind its indelible mark. The Chalukyas, the Rashtrakutas, and the Vijayanagara Empire all held sway over the region at different points in time. Each dynasty contributed to the architectural and cultural landscape that we see today.
The iconic Chandramuleshwara temple in Unkal Hubli stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Chalukya era. During the reign of the Vijayanagara Empire, Hubli emerged as a major trading center. It was known for its cotton and pepper trade. The city's strategic location on the trade routes connecting the coast to the hinterland contributed to its economic prosperity. Dharwad too has a rich historical past. It was ruled by the Adil Shahi dynasty of Bijapur in the 16th century. The remnants of their rule can be seen in the majestic Dharwad fort, which still stands tall, bearing witness to the city's glorious past.
Hubli Dharwad is a melting pot of cultures and traditions. The region is renowned for its vibrant arts scene, classical music heritage, and delectable cuisine. The people of Hubli Dharwad are known for their warm hospitality and their deep-rooted cultural values.
One of the most striking aspects of the region's cultural fabric is its association with Hindustani classical music. Dharwad is often referred to as the cultural capital of Karnataka. It is home to the prestigious Karnataka College. This institution has played a pivotal role in nurturing generations of musicians. The region's cultural calendar is filled with colorful festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm. The Deepavali Festival of Lights illuminates homes and streets, while the Holi Festival of Colors brings people together in a vibrant celebration of spring. The Ugadi Festival, marking the beginning of the Hindu Lunar New Year, is celebrated with traditional delicacies and family gatherings. The cuisine of Hubli Dharwad is a delightful blend of flavors and aromas. From the spicy and tangy gurmit to the sweet and crispy Dharwad peda, the region offers a gastronomical journey that tantalizes the taste buds. The local cuisine reflects the cultural diversity of the region, with influences from neighboring states like Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh.
Hubli Dharwad has long been recognized as a center of education in Karnataka. The twin cities boast a cluster of reputed educational institutions that attract students from across the country. These institutions have played a significant role in shaping the intellectual and cultural landscape of the region.
The Karnataka University in Dharwad, established in 1949, is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the state. It offers a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate courses in various disciplines, including arts, science, commerce, engineering, and law. The SDM College of Engineering and Technology in Dharwad is another renowned institution that has earned a reputation for its excellence in technical education. The KLE Society, headquartered in Belgaum, runs a chain of educational institutions in Hubli Dharwad, providing quality education from primary to postgraduate levels. The presence of these esteemed institutions has not only fostered a culture of learning, but has also contributed to the economic growth of the region.
Economic powerhouse, Hubli's industrial prowess. While Dharwad flourishes as the cultural and educational hub, Hubli has emerged as a major industrial and commercial center in Karnataka. The city is strategically located on the Mumbai-Bangalore industrial corridor and serves as a vital link between the coast and the hinterland.
Hubli is often referred to as the Chota Mumbai, Little Mumbai, of Karnataka, due to its bustling industrial activity. The city, has a well-developed industrial base with a focus on manufacturing, engineering, and information technology.
The city is home to a large number of small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, involved in the production of a wide range of goods, including textiles, leather products, machine tools, and electrical equipment. The presence of several industrial estates and special economic zones, SEs, has further spurred industrial growth in the region.
The rise of Hubli as an IT hub has added a new dimension to its economic landscape. Several IT companies have set up their operations in the city, attracted by the availability of skilled manpower, competitive real estate prices, and good infrastructure.
Embracing nature, scenic escapes. Beyond the bustling city life, Hubli Dharwad offers a plethora of natural escapes that rejuvenate the soul. The region is blessed with scenic hills, serene lakes, and lush green forests, providing ample opportunities for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers.
The Nrupatunga Betta, located on the outskirts of Hubli, is a popular trekking destination that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The hill is also home to several ancient temples, adding a touch of history to the natural beauty.
The Uncharted Lake, situated in the heart of Hubli, is a serene water body that provides a much-needed respite from the city's hustle and bustle. The lake is a popular spot for boating and birdwatching, attracting both locals and tourists alike.
For wildlife enthusiasts, the Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary, located about 100 kilometers from Hubli, is a must-visit destination. The sanctuary is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including tigers, leopards, elephants, and black panthers. Connecting the dots, travel and accessibility. Hubli Dharwad is well connected to major cities in India by air, rail, and road. The Hubli airport operates regular flights to Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and other major cities, making it convenient for travelers from across the country and beyond. The city is an important railway junction on the Southwestern Railway network. Hubli Junction Railway Station is well connected to major cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and Hyderabad, with several trains running daily. The National Highway 48, which connects Mumbai to Chennai, passes through Hubli, ensuring seamless road connectivity to major cities in Karnataka and neighboring states. The Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation operates regular bus services to and from Hubli Dharwad, connecting it to other cities and towns in the state. Within the Twin Cities, local transport options include city buses, auto rickshaws, and taxis, providing convenient and affordable transportation for residents and visitors. Conclusion: where history meets modernity. Hubli Dharwad, with its unique blend of history, culture, education, and industry, offers a captivating experience for both residents and visitors. The Twin Cities have successfully preserved their rich heritage while embracing modernity, making them an ideal destination for those seeking a taste of authentic India. Whether you are a history buff eager to explore ancient temples and colonial-era buildings, a culture enthusiast captivated by classical music and vibrant festivals, a nature lover seeking solace in scenic hills and serene lakes, or an entrepreneur drawn to the city's industrial prowess, Hubli Dharwad has something to offer everyone. Come, discover the hidden gem of Karnataka and experience the warmth, hospitality, and cultural richness of Hubli Dharwad. Let the Twin Cities enchant you with their timeless appeal and leave you with memories to cherish.